There's a common belief that cats are selfish animals and think only about themselves, where they do not care what happens to those around them. But this is a completely wrong view. The majorities of cats are pets, good and peaceful, and are willing to help their owner in critical and difficult times. They are also responsible animals and carry out all orders they receive from their owner. In this video, you will discover how good and affectionate this cat is, who managed to do what this mother couldn't. A mother who lives in Florida, USA, has taken a wonderful video of a funny situation with her son and a cat that has been living with her for some time. The mother said that her son was crying badly because she couldn't give him what he needs to get the ice cream. The boy went into his room and kept crying for a long time, and despite his mother's many attempts to calm him down, the mother suddenly saw the cat approaching her son and began to play with him, which made the baby crying less and began to interact with the movement the cat was doing. The mother filmed with her phone camera how the fun cat was caressing her young son and hugging him and trying to calm him down. Although the little boy continued to cry, the cat continued to play with him and continued to sit near him and hugged him in a unique moment. The cat's movements were funny, making the mother laugh a lot, and also stopped the baby from crying. As he began to interact with the cat and also caress him, the cat continued playing with the little boy and started biting him from different areas of his body, which made the little boy laugh and try to defend himself. The feisty cat continued to fuss over the child until he completely changed his mood and forced him to stand out of the bed and leave. After the baby was crying, he eventually laughed. Having a pet at home, such as cats or dogs, is a good thing. Increasing the ability of these pets to help a person in some of his daily work and protect him and his family in some situations where he is subjected to problems or harassment of any kind, these animals play another role in improving the mood of family members through the movement of funny moments inside the house, especially when you caress young children, where it creates a fun atmosphere in the family.